We are making Miss Piggy's blanket. Key ingredient here is our Aussie Smoker BBQ Rub. Streaky bacon, good quality sausage meat. If you can't get sausage meat, get your favourite sausage, slice down the skin, pull it out, you got sausage meat. We've got breadcrumbs, and no we don't, that's a lie. We've got sage and onion stuffing. We've got apricots, cranberries and figs in here, which we've been sitting in port. I've already strained them, so they were sitting for a couple of days now, so they've taken up all those flavours. That port, don't throw that away, that's some of the good stuff. And got chopped nuts. You can use flaked almond, you could use something, it gives a nice little bit of extra texture to it, and it's absolutely delicious. So, what we're going to do first is, essentially, because otherwise if I do it the other way, I'm going to have dirty hands, right? Let's just chuck in. We're going to eyeball this, right? We've got stuffing, nuts, yeah. We're going to make this kind of whichever way you want. Let's go to barbecue rub, right? Now, this is what you would have, or you will now get in the refill packs. Boom, look at that. We're going to sprinkle some of that in. Okay, and go a little bit more. Oh, it's started raining now. There we go. Got you back. And because the rub does not have any salt in it, right, it's got no salt or sugar, we're going to have a little bit of salt for seasoning. Oh, that's what we need for the audio, isn't it? A little bit of salt. Excellent. Right, how much is that? About that much. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to do, we're going to just break up this really good sausage meat that we've got. We're going to press it into it. Okay, what we're doing now, we're just getting these flavours in first before we add the rest of the fruit and pork mix. Okay, so I want this meat to really be covered. Take your fruity mix. Now let's get that in. Okay, if we did that before, the mix wouldn't have mixed through properly. But now, beautiful, we're in, we're done. Okay, so chuck them over there. Okay, make sure that your space is clean. Let's show you again that we are keeping it nice and clean. Absolutely gorgeous. Gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Wait. Okay. You want to make sure the sanitizer does its job before you wipe it off. Okie, that's in there. Beautiful. So I've wiped it down. The next thing, this is a fantastic trick to help roll all sorts of different things. Okay, we're going to go, we're going to do it this way. Alright. One, it helps keep your table a bit cleaner, or whatever bench, whatever you're using. Two, you'll see how I can then roll it in there. So we're going to start, we're going to get this streaky bacon. Beautiful streaky bacon. Okay. What you want to do is just kind of ever so slightly stretch it out. Just gently stretch it. Okay, now you can see you've got a bigger side and a thinner side. So with that stretch, we just want to make sure that we kind of marry them up. This bacon, fortunately, has come that way. Yours, if you get it from one of your favourite shops, is going to be probably layered. Okay, but you want to have it so it's nicely covered, because what we're going to do then, we're going to put the sausage mix right in the middle. Now, I'm going to make a couple of small ones here, because remember when I did it before, we had the big smoker, so I had the space. It was a showstopper, but for you guys, we've got to make sure we've got, you've got the right space in your oven, and you can actually close it up. So there's a lot of bacon, There's a lot. This is Christmas, guys. You know, we're making sure we're gonna have the best time. Wicked day. A little bit of that cranberry stuck on my finger. So beautiful. Just got a bit of this lovely mix in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go from here to here. Okay, so we get a bit more on. Excellent. I think that's more where it is. That's about the size. A bit more. I know this looks fantastic. Oh, Christmas, the port, the barbecue smells. You can get a bit of that sage, you got that salt. Excellent. So now what we're going to do, we're going to actually wrap through here. We're going to start weaving. Now, do you want to weave? Nah, don't worry about the weave. Let's just wrap it. We can do a weave another time. That goes there. That goes here. So we're trying to just keep it all in as much as possible. Fantastic. We'll start on one side, tuck her in a bit, and go the other side. Beautiful. We'll take my gloves off for this one, so there's no contamination over here. We're going to take your cling film. If we had the gloves on, we'd have dirty cling film. We'll roll it nice and tight. Okay, a nice little chef treat. You'll pinch the ends like it's a lolly, a sweetie, a candy, whatever you want to call it. You're slowly pinching that in. Look at that. And then we're just going to tie her off. Okay, this now goes back in the fridge to chill out, right? To chill out for, you know, I mean, I at least an hour, yeah, and that way it will help just firm it up before going into the oven. All right, beautiful.
Righto, so it's been chilling out. I'm going to cut off the bump pieces, carefully take off the cling film, put it back in the tray. This is going to go into a 165-degree oven for about 45 minutes. You're going to be turning it periodically just to make sure that it's nice and even and that bacon doesn't split. After that time, I'm going to whack it up to 185 or 180. It's going to sit there for a good half an hour to get it nice and crispy. And again, we're going to flip her over. Let's get all that good sausage and bacon juice right around. Ooh, that sizzle.
Alright, righto guys, we're back. We've done the Miss Piggy's blanket. It's chilled now, easier to cut. We're showing you, we're giving you the whole recipe. It uses the Aussie Smoker BBQ Rub. Next time to cut her up. Now, I'm going to use the glove on the left hand. Beautiful, carefully roll her. Look at that. Oh, she smells incredible. Now, the difference between this one that we've done and what we did for you guys over the years is we did it in Shazza in our smoker. This is not smoked, but we've got the barbecue rub. You'll be very careful when you do it. The reason we also cut it when it's cold, if that's what you want to do, it's easier to cut it when it's cold. The bacon, everything, so this firms up a bit. Also, use a bread knife, much easier. Let's have a look. Cut off the bum. Ah, the fruit in there, lovely. Look at that. Absolutely glorious. Let's cut these through. Let's put it on a wood board. So this Miss Piggy's blanket made at home with the Aussie Smoker BBQ Rub. Guys, we didn't want you to miss out. We want you to be able to do it. Make this a new Christmas tradition. Let's get it onto a board. Look at this. Okay. Beautiful. Actually, do you know what? The bum piece, chef's delight. Here we go. You can make this in advance. You can chill it down. You can freeze it. You can have it hot. Miss Piggy's blanket, Aussie Smoker style, with the Aussie Smoker BBQ Rub. Yee-hoo! Mm-mm-mm.